The world is changing, and it's changing fast. Technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, transforming the way we live, work, and create. Artificial intelligence is sweeping through every industry, and the creative arts are no exception. From music composition to visual arts, AI is becoming an integral part of the creative process. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of their artistic ability, could bring their coloring book dreams to life. A world where creativity knows no bounds. This is the promise of AI, and it's closer than you think. AI is not just a tool for professionals, it's for everyone. The power of AI lies in its ability to democratize creativity, making it accessible to all, regardless of skill level or background. It breaks down barriers, making art more accessible and less intimidating. No longer do you need years of training or expensive software to create something beautiful. The creative process is now open to everyone, from the seasoned artist to the curious beginner. With simple tools and affordable technology, anyone can start their artistic journey. AI tools are emerging that empower everyone to tap into their creative potential, and one such tool is making waves in the world of coloring books. This tool is revolutionizing how we think about art and creativity, making it more inclusive and exciting than ever before. Introducing Coloring Book Hero by ChatGPT, an innovative AI-powered tool designed to simplify the creation of coloring books. This revolutionary tool harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to generate unique and captivating designs, making the process easier and more efficient than ever before. Imagine typing in a simple description, like a magical unicorn in a field of flowers, and watching in amazement as Coloring Book Hero transforms your words into a stunning, ready-to-color illustration. This is the magic of AI at work, but it doesn't stop there. Coloring Book Hero offers a plethora of features designed to make your coloring book dreams a reality. Coloring Book Hero is more than just a tool, it's a creative partner, designed to enhance the artistic journey of every user. It empowers artists to streamline their workflow, allowing them to focus on their artistic vision, while the AI handles the technical aspects. This means more time for creativity and less time spent on repetitive tasks. Teachers can create engaging educational materials tailored to their students' needs. With Coloring Book Hero, they can design custom coloring pages that make learning fun and interactive. And hobbyists, they can finally bring those coloring book ideas they've been harboring to life. Imagine the possibilities of creating unique, personalized coloring books for relaxation and enjoyment. Artists can monetize their creations, selling their coloring books online or in stores. This opens up new revenue streams and opportunities for artists to reach a wider audience. Teachers can supplement their lessons with interactive and educational coloring activities. These activities not only enhance learning, but also keep students engaged and excited. And hobbyists can share the joy of coloring with friends and family, gifting them with personalized creations. It's a wonderful way to connect and share creativity. Coloring Book Hero opens up a world of creative opportunities for everyone. Whether you're an artist, teacher, or hobbyist, there's something for you to explore and enjoy. Section 4. Your Coloring Book Journey, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to this comprehensive guide where we will walk you through every step of creating your very own coloring book. Ready to embark on your coloring book adventure? Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, this guide is designed to make the process enjoyable and straightforward. Coloring Book Hero makes the process simple and intuitive. With just a few clicks, you can bring your creative visions to life. Start by selecting a theme that resonates with you. Whether it's whimsical animals, intricate mandalas, or breathtaking landscapes, the possibilities are endless. Take your time to explore and find the perfect theme that sparks your creativity. Then, let the AI work its magic. Input your desired descriptions, and don't hesitate to be as detailed or as imaginative as you want. The more specific you are, the better the AI can tailor the illustrations to your vision. Watch as Coloring Book Hero generates unique illustrations based on your prompts. Each image is crafted to match your descriptions, ensuring a personalized touch to your coloring book. Don't be afraid to get creative. Experiment with different styles and techniques. The more you play around, the more unique your coloring book will become. The AI is there to assist you every step of the way. If you ever feel stuck or need inspiration, The help guide and virtual assistant are just a click away. Once you're satisfied with your designs, take a moment to review them. Make any final adjustments to ensure everything is perfect. You can easily compile them into a cohesive coloring book, organizing the pages in a way that tells a story or follows a theme. Finally, your masterpiece is ready to be shared with the world. Print it out, bind it, and show off your hard work to friends, family, or even sell it online. Enjoy the fruits of your creativity. Section 5. Coloring outside the lines, potential and possibilities. Coloring book. Hero is more than just a tool. It's a movement. It's about breaking down creative barriers and empowering anyone with a story to tell to become an author and illustrator. It's about fostering imagination and self-expression, one coloring page at a time. So embrace the future of creativity. Unleash the artist within you with Coloring Book Hero. Create, color, inspire, and watch as your imagination takes flight. The world is waiting to be colored in by you.